Hello everyone, myself Dipti Champaneria, teacher at Srimati LP Savani Vidya Bhavan. Today we are going to learn about alphabets. Our first lesson. Let me tell you, alphabet is all about learning letters A to Z. So let's get started. Here you can see on the screen a maze game is given to you, and a baby chick needs to find the path to reach its mama. So we will help the ducky in an alphabetical order. Start from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Here comes the mama at the last letter Z. So letters always should be in an order. That is known as alphabetical order. There are total 26 letters. You can read on the screen. The English alphabet has 26 letters. Now let's learn about the capital letters. You can see here these are the capital letters, and you can see these are the small letters. On the left hand side it is capital letters, on the right hand side it is small letters, that is A to Z. And next, now let me tell you when do we use capital letters. We use capital letters whenever we are writing proper nouns. We start the word with capital letter, and rest of all our letters are small letters. We begin our name with a capital letter. We begin our surname with a capital letter. The other letters are small. Like for example, here given Suzanne Verma. So for Suzanne, first letter S is capital and Verma is surname. So V, the first letter, is capital. Rest all letters are small. Same like that, Jaspal Singh. J for Jaspal is capital and S for Singh is capital. Salma Ali. S for Salma is capital. A for Ali is capital. Rest all letters are small letters. Next example, when we are writing our name or surname, the first letter should be always capital letter and others are small letters. Now you can see on the screen here, that's funny. I am a B. So which letter it will be? Just a B. Then write your name, circle the capital letters. Here my name is dash so and so. You have to write your name and surname and circle the letters which are the capital letters. For example, the first letter of your name should be capital letter and first letter of your surname should be capital letter. Now here on to the next page. Write the missing capital and small letters. Here first one is done for you, that is capital D and small d. And second, capital E is given, so we will write small e. Then capital F, small f. Capital G, small g. Capital H, small h. capital I, capital J, small j, and so on. Then B. Match the capital letters to the small letters. Here it is simply a matching exercise. Here we will match the capital letters with the same small letters. Like for example, number 1, capital F will match with small f. Then capital R with small r, capital A with small a, capital G with small g, capital E with small e, and capital P with small p. Moving further, C. Write these letters in alphabetical order. As I told you earlier, here in this exercise, we have to write these alphabets in alphabetical order. Like for example, the alphabet which comes earlier, that will first, and so on. So one number is H, G, E, D, F. This is an uneven order. We will write them in alphabetical order. That will be D, E, F, G, H. Then P, Q, R, S, T, A, B, C, D, E, I, J, K, L, M, R, S, T, U, V. Now one more exercise. Write the names of these animals in alphabetical order. Like here, the name of animals are given and we have to write them, we have to arrange them in an alphabetical order. So for that we will just look to the first letter, number 1, that is lion, dog and goat. So the right order will be dog, goat and lion. 2. Parrot, fish, horse. Fish, horse, parrot. Then 3. Tiger, hippo, ant. The right order will be ant, hippo, tiger. Now moving ahead, write the name of these toys in alphabetical order. You can see the toys are given and we have to write them in alphabetical order. Like we have done in first exercise, same like that. So car, bat, doll, yo-yo, robot and drum. We have to arrange these toys in right order. So in first, number 1, that will be bat, car and doll. That is B, C and D. Number 2, drum, robot, yo-yo. The right order will be D, R, Y. Now moving ahead, F. Write the letters that come before and after these letters. Here we have to write the letters that comes before and after, same like in numbers we do, like write before numbers and after numbers, 1, 2, 3. If there is 2, then before number is 1 and after number is 3. Same like that here in number 1, E is given. So the before letter is D and after B, after F. Then number 2, P, Q, R. 3, R is given, so Q and S. 4, F is given, then E and G. 5, D is given, then C and E. And 6, L is given, so before number is K and after number is M. So now we'll learn about vowels. There are 5 special letters. They are A, E, I, O and U. They are called vowels. The other letters are called consonant. Now let's look. Fill in vowels to name the picture. Use small letters. Here pictures are given and the letters are missing in between. So number 1, that is pen. So P and N is given. So which letter will come in between? That is E. P-E-N, pen. Then number 2, baby. B-A-B-Y, baby. 3, D-O-G, dog. O is vowel. 4, B-A-L-L, ball. So B-A. So the second letter A is vowel. The number 5, C-U-P, cup. Here U is a vowel. Number 6, S-U-N, sun. U is a vowel. Now fill in consonant to name the pictures. Use capital letters. Now earlier we used vowels to fill in the blanks to make a word, and now we will use consonant to make a word, and we will write these consonants in capital letter. B-U-S, bus. B-O-A-T, O and A is given and we will write B and T, that is consonant. D-E-E-R, so E-E, double E is given, so we will write D in the starting and R in the last, that is deer. Then cow, C-O-W, O is given and we will write C and W, that is consonant. Then cap, C-A-P, we will write C and P. Fish, F-I-S-H, we will write F and S-H, they are consonants. So this was all about the alphabet. Thank you.